One of the biggest challenges I've found in the classroom is giving students a sense of time, specifically when they're working independently. Now, I've tried many different classroom timers to get over this hump, but none of them were simple enough and visual enough for me to use. So I created this one, and it has a couple of key differentiating features that I want to show. One is, besides just giving a visual amount of time left, it gives a percentage. Percentage is a tough concept for students, and the more exposure we give them, the better. It's one of the main features. So if I set the timer for 1 minute and hit start, it shows the percentage of time they have left. That means you can give them cues and say, if you're working independently on something, by 50%, this is how much you should have done. By 20%, this is how much you should have done. It teaches them time management as well as giving them check marks along the way. Like other timers, it does change colors. When you get to 50%, it changes to orange. And when you get to 25%, it turns red. So it cuts it down in fourths, nice and cleanly. Another key feature is the pause timer. You may think, you can pause most timers. Yes, but if you want to add time because you say, oh, we're not really at a good stopping point, I misjudged how much time I need, you'd have to reset the timer, which you can stop the timer and reset the timer. But here you can also say, we need another 30 seconds. So I can just say, I want 36 seconds left. And you'll notice it updates the percentage related to the original time you spent. So in this case, because the timer was only set for 1 minute, it's saying, you actually have 60% time more of the original time back, which is a neat little feature to show students sort of how much time you're adding on in relationship to the original time. And you hit continue timer. Now, when the timer ends, it doesn't do a buzz. It uses a voice.
Your time is up. Find a good stopping point. Your time is up. Find a good stopping point.
Here the message is, your time's up. Wrap up in the next 10 seconds or so. So that's my simple visual timer with percentages. One last thing, if you're with younger kids and you don't want the percentage showing, you can just click on it to hide it. I hope you enjoy it and you find it as useful as I do.